All right. They said the Pope would be here. The Popester.
The Pope.
He is the Pope.
The Pope. Let's hear it for the Pope. Pope Barnes, taking us into the 90s.
The Pope is coming. The Pope has been to the mountain.
Earth tones.
Knows that you don't wear pantyhose on a Sunday if you are a man and you know the fine old plan. The Pope knows. The Pope knows what he makes the transformation all across the nation. Everybody knows what the Pope knows. The Pope has to know. The Pope really knows everything. All your aches and pains. The Pope has a plan for all you brother man. The Pope knows. The Pope has to know. The Pope knows. The Pope knows. Cause he is the Pope. And he can't cope.
I'll slow the music up.
Everybody knows the Pope. Pope knows. Since I've been in America, I've been dealing with several different things. Prostitution, abortion, and the crack houses. Crack houses. And I know that the crack house is no place for the Pope. No. Being the Popester and everything. No. I have to do a song now, a little song we sing around the Vatican.
Have mercy, have mercy.
Yes, and it's an anti-crack song. It's called The Crack House. We use a little old gospel melody called Amazing Grace, which was really originally written by the Protestants, but
What the hell?
the Popester back in 1801 stole it from them, and since I'm the Popester now, I can play
You're
it.
no poser, Pope.
I'm no poster Pope. All right, everybody get righteous. Praise the Lord.
Have mercy.
This is the tambourine. It's only played around the chapel.
There's money.
The sound of money when we pass the hat around. Everybody give. In the name of Jim Baker and Tammy Baker's running lipstick. I was lost. Now I'm found at Bottlneck. Everybody get righteous. check his pockets. He might have some money. If he has some more money, we can buy some more pride. Yeah, $200. What are we gonna do with $200? What are we gonna do with $200? What are we gonna do with $100? What are we gonna do with $200? Right. What are we gonna do with $100? If I was on MTV, and I said, well, hey.